Hi everyone, I'm Zane from the OSU-Tulsa Library, and in this video I will demonstrate how to access textbooks for your course through the library catalog. To get started, visit tulsa.okstate.edu/library. So on the library homepage, right away you will see a couple of things. At the top of the page will be any announcements. Right now we have links to upcoming workshops and then fall textbooks, which we will visit in just a moment. And then you will see a big search box that links to our catalog. Below the search box on the homepage, you will see a list of quick links. I want to point out a couple of these before we talk about textbooks. If you need help finding what you're looking for, need to chat with a librarian, or make a research appointment, click on the Ask a Librarian page. If you need a space to study, for you or for a group, click on the Book a Study Room page to reserve a space. A little further down the page, you will find our hours, as well as research tools and resources. We do have laptops and other technology available to check out through our Tech2Go program, so do come and talk to us if you need technology to use for your classes. More resources and tools are available to browse through this link. And then at the bottom of the page, we have textbooks. The library has both physical and electronic textbooks available for students to access. Physical textbooks are available in the library for a 2-hour checkout period, and e-textbooks are available online through our catalog and have different checkout periods. To browse textbooks that are available for the semester, click Browse Textbook Collections. This page explains our textbook program and links to the catalog. You can search for textbooks for your class by navigating to the subject area for your course over on the left side of the page. If you do not find the book you're looking for, you can click into the catalog to search by title, author, or course code, which I will demonstrate in a moment. So I'm looking to see if the library has textbooks I need for Native American history. So I'm going to move over here to the left and click on History. On this page, I can see that the library does indeed have the textbooks I need for my class, History 3793. And I can tell by looking at these two books that they are electronic books and not print books, which means they will be available through the online catalog. It also tells me how many users can access the book at one time. This textbook has unlimited user access, which means that multiple unlimited users can access the book at the same time. This textbook says one user, which means that only one online user can access the book at one time. To access the book, I can click on the title and it will take me where I need to go. So this link took me directly to the book in one of our ebook databases called ProQuest eBook Central. And on this page, I can see several things. I can see that I can click to read the book online, or I can download the book. I see that I can also download individual chapters as PDFs, which might be helpful for me if I want to put one chapter at a time on my laptop or tablet to read, or if I want to print off the chapter at the library. Notice here it says there are no copy, print, or download restrictions on this title, which is great. This means the book is open and I can download the entire thing. This is not the case for all ebooks that you may come across in the library's collection. It all depends on the publisher, but for this title, I can get the entire book. Now, if you do want to download the entire book, it will ask you to create an account. You can use your Oki email, or you can create the account using a personal email address. That is up to you. If I click on the chapter, I can see that I can navigate by scrolling to the next page, skip to other chapters via the table of contents, and I can search within the book if I'm looking for a particular passage or a set of keywords. I also have this toolbar at the top of the page where I can download, print, copy, highlight, add a note or a bookmark, and so on. You can also zoom in and out, which is a helpful feature to have, especially if you're accessing the book on a phone or a tablet. If you want to save this link to come back later quickly, you can click this little chain link icon to copy the permalink, which will bring you back to the current page. This is a great feature if you are in a hurry and need to quickly exit and then come back at a later time. You just need to save this permalink somewhere safe. Okay, let's look at the other textbook available for this course. Going back to the textbook reserves list that we have here, I also see that First Peoples is linked to our catalog, and I can click the title to take me to that page. And on this page, I can see pretty much what I saw with the previous book with a few differences. Remember how the previous book had no restrictions on copies or downloads? This publisher notes that this text is not available for full download, but that you can download up to 142 pages during your session and read the full text online. If you have questions about restrictions, come talk to us at the library and we can help you. And again, if you click on the individual chapter, you can see your options for reading, downloading, and other tools. I do want to point out that you can also access textbooks by searching for title, author, or in some cases, course code in the catalog. So going back to the home page, I'm going to click on Catalog Search. If I type in boarding school seasons and click search, I can see the textbook title that pops up near the top of the list here. I can see that it's on reserve and that it's available as an ebook. I can also type in my course code. So if I type in History 3793, I can see that there are items on reserve for this class. If I click View Reserves, I can then access those titles electronically the same way we did before by clicking on this Online Access button. I can also search by author or by subject area if I'm not quite sure what the title is. Remember, the library is here to help. You have many resources available to you both in person at the library and online. If you can't find what you need, or if you need help with research or citations, visit the Ask a Librarian page to ask a question via chat, send an email or a text, or book a research appointment. Thank you for watching this video on how to access your textbooks at the library. Visit us in person in Main Hall on the Tulsa campus or at tulsa.okstate.edu/library.